Ready? We're gonna try cleaning these grease traps that are over our thing with brake clean over our stove. Let's see how well this works. Then we'll throw them in the dishwasher after, so we don't die of whatever. I mean, brake clean is the best degreaser there is. How could this not be a good idea?
That was a really bad one. Oh,
What?
It's starting to go. I can see it. What if you spray it from the other side? So that, no, but you have to like show it. Do you know what I mean? Oh, I can. Not nearly as satisfying as I was hoping, but.
Well, here, let's get the. Okay, let me get a brush. Work this over a little bit.
That looks so vile.
I think I got one somewhere. Actually, here, this will do.
Oh. Okay, it loosened it all up for sure. Should you spray it again and see if it kind of... Yeah. Huh. Look at that.
Fairly impressive.
Yeah. Get that edge there, that yeah. Put it by your hand on the edge, there's some too. By your hand? With the black glove, there's some right along that rim. Who knew that stove grease was like, it's probably because it's like baked and caked and
Those are
I know
stickified.
I know they weren't popping very well because of the grease. Why don't you just give that to me and I'll go in and use some soap first before I put it in the dishwasher. I'll just clean it with some soap first before I put it in the dishwasher. Kind of rinse it. Looks much better though.
Indeed it does. Record. So we use the brake clean. So now I'm going to try wax and grease remover that you use for wiping down cars before painting. So we'll see if that cleans these grates up any better. I don't have a means of holding this while I do it, however. This one I had already done some brake clean on it. It's a far cry better than it was, that's for sure. Oh, look at that stuff. It just melts it away. Crazy. Wax and grease cleaner would do a better job than brake clean. I thought brake clean was the end all be all. But for specific wax and grease applications, this does seem to be better. So the idea is degrease, then throw them in the dishwasher and get all the chemical off of them. It's remarkably better, actually. Okay, let's see if I got another greasy one that I can do here. These ones are already cleaned with my wife's got a steam cleaner that she was using. it'd take you forever to clean it with a steam cleaner. Because, you know, water and grease, I don't know. I mean, yeah, it's hot, but water is not really known for being an excellent grease cutter. I think the wax and grease cutter is better than the brake clean. Way better. That still has some grease on it. Let me see if... So yeah, next time you got to clean your stove vent hood grates, wax and grease remover at your local auto body shop can hook you up. And then this little aerosol thing that you fill and pressurize with a compressor or whatever, it's like $30 on Amazon. Then you can buy crap bulk, and it's way cheaper than buying individual cans of brake clean and degreaser. There. Way better. So we got this is the results of the grease screen cleaning. So wax and grease remover, auto body stuff sprayed on there. And then we also threw them through the dishwasher. And also used it to clean up underneath here too. And yeah, it worked really well. I mean, it did wipe off the black insignia stuff on there, so be careful with that. But as far as grease removal goes, it was very effective. So good luck with your stove hood grease cleaning.